We back. It's a little bit warmer, it's a little bit nicer. I'm out here on the Wolf King GTR, of course. I did a couple of things, you know, I switched it up and I got some more additions. With that wood floor, I also got a Domino Throttle. I also wired up a new headlight. I like the look of the headlight a lot better than the original one. The original one, I don't know, I wasn't vibing it. So I switched it out. And I like the bar light a lot. So those are the things that I did, and honestly I'm really liking them. Right now I'm headed to the skate park. I don't know how good it's gonna go. I did forget my chest mount for my GoPro, so that's where we're going, and we'll see how that goes. Whoa, all right, this is crazy. I think I'm gonna break my lens. So dang, I can't believe I forgot my chest mount. Riding with this helmet is not easy. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Not much, man. I'm at the park right now, just finished riding. You just
Well, we got there. But yeah, I'm here. I'm on the way, ready to go.
all right, cool, man. Well, I'll see you soon then.
Alright.
So Jay right now said he was gonna paint his scooter, but I don't know. He said he just woke up too, so we'll see what he's up to. Behind the skate park here, there's like this crazy hill. What's up? I'm not stepping in there.
For about 45 minutes.
Where'd you get all these milk crates, Jay?
I stole them from the neighbor.
Bet.
I should be riding this weekend.
I like how it's textured. It's like gray, black, but no, I don't know. It's pretty tight.
Grab that. Goddamn people. Get a flight.
Yeah, no worries, man. I'll see you soon. All right, so Jay's gone. He had to go do some things. And now it's just me. So we're gonna finish painting up the scooter. Now we just wait for it to dry. My battery has been dying. I'm charging it here as we go. Right now I am going to be sanding this down, sanding that down, and then throwing on another coat. Jay's not back yet, but I got a plan.
Hell yeah! I like this. Front's done. Very much likes it.
He know what me mean.
We're gonna finish up painting his stuff, modding it all out and everything like that soon, so then he's back on the road. I'm really hyped on mine. I got the Domino Throttle. This little wire management setup's got a new light that I'm digging. The floorboard. I forgot about the fork guards, man. These things are awesome. Everything is perfect. Everything is great. So, till next time, peace.